friends, today we are going to complete our worksheets 101, 102, and 103 in your reading worksheets for the week. So get your packet and get a pencil and get ready to go. So page 101 is the first page, and the directions say to name each worker. Tell what you know about each worker and circle the picture that shows the tool the worker would use. So while you're doing this with mom or dad, you could do the telling, okay? You need to tell them what kind of a worker it is and why you circled and why you chose the answer you did. So let's take a look at number 1, and it looks like this is a construction worker. And we know that a construction worker helps build things. So which tool do you think they would use, a hammer or a net? So circle which one you think is the right answer. Okay, and number 2 is a veterinarian. Look at, she's helping to make the cat feel better. So what tool do you think a veterinarian would use, a rake or a stethoscope? Circle which one you think they would use. Okay, and number 3, we have a chef. And we know a chef cooks things. So let's look at the tools here, a pin or a pan. What do you think the chef would need? Circle the correct answer. Okay, Mrs. Shimmy is going too fast. Just hit the pause button. Let's take a look at the next page. And boys and girls, we're looking for things here that have the ah sound. Oh, ah, ah. So we're actually just going to circle, and if you want, you can color it, the things that begin with O, that but has the ah sound. So I'm going to say the word, and if you think it begins with O, circle it. If it does not begin with O, we'll put an X over it. And if you want to go back and color when you finish, that's fine. So the first is a picture of an octopus. Ah. Ah. And next is a picture of a cake. K, k, cake. Olive. Ah, ah, olive. Nest. Nest. Axe. On. Otter. Ah, ah, otter. Ostrich. Tent. Okay, so you should have circled the octopus, olive, ox, on, otter, ostrich. Okay, now we're going too fast. Hit the pause button. So now we're going to say the name of the picture again, and if it has the O sound, we're going to actually make an O, but we're going to make a lowercase o. And a lowercase o starts like a magic C and touches the bottom and goes around to the dotted line. But let's make sure we're not making capital O's here. We're making lowercase lows nice and slowly and below the dotted line. So the first is a picture of an ostrich. Ah. And we have an olive. Ah. Apple. Ox. Otter. Octopus. On. Nurse. Okay, so we've completed 3 pages today, so you can take a picture and submit it on Seesaw. Thank you.